Hey again, this is meant to show you another way to get the equation of the line, and by that I mean the equation of the line that looks like this: y equals mx plus b. When you're given the point that the line goes through and you're given the slope. We did a few of those on the third page of the number 45 homework, but we did it by drawing the picture most of the time. So remember that the little m stands for slope. So we could actually say, hey, look, partial credit. If I just put that slope in there, it says the slope is 1/2. Goes through the point 6, 1, 6 for x, 1 for y, and the slope equals 1/2. So, hey, I got partial credit. Now, the thing to do to get the full credit is find the number for b. Keep in mind, if we have the finished answer, it has to be true that when somebody puts in a 6 for x, the equation gives them a y value of 1. So what we're going to do is plug this in for x, plug this in for y, see what happens. Then it would say 1, see the y value is 1, equals 1/2 times the x value, 6, plus whatever the number b is. Now if we sort this out, we can solve this for b. This says 1 equals 1/2 times 6, or 1/2 of 6, which would be 3. And now if we take away 3 from both sides, all that's left is, 1 take away 3, that's -2 equals b. So now I can write the whole complete answer. I can say y equals 1/2 x minus 2. Y equals 1/2 x minus 2 is the equation of the line that goes through 6, 1, 6 for x, 1 for y, and has a slope of 1/2. Now, remember this for a few seconds, because I'm going to tear this paper away. I'm going to do it the other way, which is to just go right to a piece of graph paper and locate the point 6, 1. And there's the x-axis, and there's the y-axis. So 6, 1, 2, 4, 6. 6, 1 is right here. And I need to zoom out just a little bit so you can see what's going on. So there's the point 6, 1. With the slope of positive 1/2, that means I go up 1 and over 2. I'm out of room in this direction, but I can follow the same pattern going this way. Go down 1 and to the left 2. It's still going to be a positive 1/2 slope. So down 1, left 2, down 1, left 2, down 1, left 2, all the way down to here. Here's the graph. Now, we started with that point 6, 1, so we know this graph goes through the point 6, 1. I used the slope 1/2 to get the other points. Look at where the y-intercept is. 0, -1, -2. This is what we found algebraically a minute ago. The b value was -2. And the graph is going through the y-axis at -2. Should not be any surprise. There's the other page. You see, I'm not lying. I'm not remembering it wrong. But y equals 1/2 x minus 2. So to summarize, when you're given the slope and a single point, start by thinking I can plug in the slope instead of m, and then I plug in the x and y of the point that I was given, and then it'll be all numbers except for b. I solve for b, put the b in as the last step, and I've got the equation of the line. Hope that helps you figure these things out. You'll see quite a few homework problems like that in this chapter. Bye-bye for now.